Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker from Cultivating the Learning. I'm here today with a tip about how to insert and delete cells, individual cells. Sometimes when you're working with spreadsheets, you might copy and paste information from one place to another, and you might not copy it properly. So, for example, this cell right here, we can say that this phone number is actually Donald Duck's. So, and every piece of information underneath it is off by one cell. So I can take this cell and I can right click on it, and I have the option to delete the entire row, delete the column, and now I have the option to delete cells, which is pretty new. So what I need them to do is I need everything to shift up by one, so I'm going to choose shift up. When I do that, you'll see that everything just shifted up. This used to be Polly Pocket's answer, and now it is Racer X's answer. So the same thing occurs with maybe I pasted the information too high, and I actually need them to move down by one. So let's say I say, oh, I was wrong. That actually is Daisy Ducks, and I need it to move down. So I'm going to select the actual cell that I want to move down, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to Insert Cell, and I'm going to tell them all to shift down. And when I do that, everything shifts down, but just from this one column. That's it. So I could also make it shift to the right or to the left, same options.